Spreadsheets are like digital notebooks. They help us organize information. We use them every day. They are in our homes and offices. Spreadsheets track finances. They manage projects. Businesses use them for analysis. Spreadsheets are powerful tools. They can do complex calculations. They create charts and graphs. These visuals help us understand data. Spreadsheets make our lives easier. They increase productivity. They help us make informed decisions. Spreadsheets are for everyone. Anyone can use them. They are simple to learn. You can start with basic tasks. Then you can learn advanced features. Mastery comes with practice. There are many spreadsheet programs. Microsoft Excel is the most popular. It has many features and functions. Excel is part of Microsoft Office. You can get it on Windows and Mac computers. Google Sheets is another option. It is free and web-based. You can access it from anywhere. Google Sheets allows collaboration. Multiple users can work on the same spreadsheet. Apple Numbers is designed for Apple devices. It has a user-friendly interface. Numbers offers beautiful templates. It integrates well with other Apple apps. OpenOffice Calc and LibreOffice Calc are free alternatives. They provide similar features to Excel. They are great options for budget-conscious users. Choosing the right program depends on your needs. Consider features, cost, and collaboration options. Select the program that suits you best. A spreadsheet looks like a grid. It's made of rows and columns. Rows go horizontally, columns go vertically. Where a row and column meet is a cell. Each cell has a unique address. The address is a combination of a letter and a number. For example, a 1 is the address of the top left cell. A is the column letter. 1 is the row number. Cells store data. You can enter text, numbers, or dates. You can also enter formulas. Formulas perform calculations. They help you analyze data. Understanding these basics is essential. They are the foundation of using spreadsheets. Once you grasp these, you can move on to more advanced features. Formulas are the heart of spreadsheets. They allow you to perform calculations. You can add, subtract, multiply, and divide. Formulas start with an equal sign. You can use cell references in formulas. A cell reference points to a specific cell. For example, equals A1 plus A2 adds the values in cells A1 and A2. Spreadsheets offer many built-in functions. Functions are pre-written formulas. They perform specific tasks. For example, the sum function adds a range of cells. Formulas and functions automate calculations. They save time and reduce errors. They are essential for analyzing data effectively. Section 5. Painting pictures with charts and graphs. Data is easier to understand with visuals. Spreadsheets let you create charts and graphs. They transform data into meaningful representations. You can create bar charts, line graphs, pie charts, and more. Each chart type is suitable for specific data. For example, a line graph shows trends over time. To create a chart, select the data, then choose the chart type. You can customize the chart, change colors, add titles, and adjust the layout. Charts and graphs enhance presentations. They help communicate insights effectively. They make data more engaging and understandable. Section 6. Organizing and protecting your work. Spreadsheets can hold a lot of data. It's important to keep your work organized. Use clear and concise labels. Format cells for readability. Save your files regularly. This prevents data loss. Choose a descriptive file name. This helps you find the file easily. You can protect your spreadsheets. Passwords prevent unauthorized access. You can also lock cells. This stops accidental changes to formulas or data. Proper file management is crucial. It ensures data integrity and accessibility. It also saves time and effort in the long run. Section 7. Diving deeper. Pivot tables and VLOOKUP. Pivot tables are powerful tools. They summarize large amounts of data. They group data based on criteria you choose. VLOOKUP is a function. It searches for specific values in a table. It then retrieves corresponding data from another column. These features are more advanced. They unlock deeper insights from your data. They require practice and understanding to master. Section 8. Designing spreadsheets for clarity. A well-designed spreadsheet is easy to read. Use clear headings and labels. Choose appropriate fonts and colors. Align data properly. Use borders and shading to separate sections. Keep your layout clean and organized. A visually appealing spreadsheet is more engaging. It also reduces errors and improves understanding. Section 9. Mastering spreadsheets. A continuous journey. Spreadsheets are versatile tools. They are essential for various tasks. Learning spreadsheets is an ongoing process. Start with the basics, then gradually explore advanced features. Practice regularly to improve your skills. There are numerous resources available. Online tutorials, courses, and books can help. Embrace the learning process. Mastering spreadsheets empowers you in countless ways.